Hey everyone, my name's Chris. I'm over at Ace Vacuums at 300 Fort Evans Road, Northeast, Suite 104, right next to the Leesburg outlets. I want to come to you guys today and talk to you guys about some of the stuff that we do here at Ace Vacuums. We do sales, we do service, we do repairs, and that's all types of vacuums, shampooers, handheld vacuums, you name it, we can fix it. Is your vacuum broke? Is it not picking up? Do you just want to have it serviced and cleaned and new filters? Are you just looking to upgrade? Great. We have everything you need here and more. We sell all name brand products like Sharp, Dyson, Miele, Riccar, Eureka, Hoover, Sebo, you name it, we have just the vacuum for you. Not to mention, we also focus in air purifiers and air filtration. We want you to have the best air filters and air quality in your home today. We sell Alston Air, IQ Air, and more. We have a lot of different filters for many different vacuums and air purifiers. If you need replacements, we carry all those. Is your vacuum not picking up very well? Is it not working very well? Is it not doing the job that it used to do when you first bought it? Great. Bring it to us. Let us fix it. Let us look it over. It's a free estimate. It's no charge to you as the customer for us to take a look at your vacuum and tell you what's wrong with it. And then we'll fix it for you. When you would simply approve it, we'll fix it for you. Now you have a shampooer that's not picking up, that's not cleaning your carpets very well. Let us fix it. Let us look at it. No charge to you. If you need anything, come to Ace Vacuums at 300 Fort Evans Road, Northeast, right next to the Home Depot. We also accept trade-ins, so if you have an old brand vacuum that's not working and you want to upgrade it, bring it in. We'll give you fair market value for your vacuum onto a new purchase in our store. You can find us at Ace Vacuums. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Don't forget to like our YouTube channel. We have lots of how-to videos on there. So stop by Ace Vacuums here at 300 Fort Evans Road.